Jungle out here. Trying to see if that chameleon wanted to take a cruise with me. I guess it was probably a gecko. That green little lizard thingy.
This bridge was built in 1991.
By the great Nate David. They don't want to see the hybrid hibiscus and palmetto?
Very hot. See what I did there with the echo?
This looks like somewhere Josh wants to come. Yeah. Can't you tell?
But it's dark and mysterious.
Precisely.
So 17,000 minutes into this walk, come across this little fort of flowers and majestical.
I'm mostly always sometimes respectable. Pretty freaking cool, man. If I was a homeless person in Hawaii, I'd make one of these my tent. I wouldn't be homeless anymore. Yeah.
Back on the road system.
Yep. Well, weren't you gonna try it?
No, I have to be respectful.
Oh, yeah, I did say that. Isn't it respectable to play on toys that are left out for you? Just back up to the road. That's that road that we were just at. Medicinal plants. I do not see any marijuana. Oh, there's other medicinal plants? Shame on me. Oh, aloe vera. I've been using that. They look kind of like strawberries. Do you think the snozberries taste like snozberries? Does it really? Never seen sugarcane. I think it's going the wrong way. Maybe it turns back around down by here.
Maybe not.
Could you imagine doing this if it was a hot day?
Probably. Probably not.
Hey!
Ooh, it's 30 feet deep.
Well, the weather is currently sucking outside in Bethel. Check it out. But anywho, I will be in Anchorage on May 17th through the 21st. Hopefully go do some hiking, maybe a little bit of camping, but definitely watching Deadpool 2 Friday. Let's see what else can we look forward to. For next week, be on the lookout for a video on buying a GoPro Hero 6. Also, I'm looking into buying either a skateboard or a longboard. I haven't made my decision yet, so I'll make a vlog off of that one, so be on the lookout for that. If you like what you saw here today, smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and the bell to get the bells and whistles whenever I publish a new video. So go ahead, do that right now.
Oh, 210 Timmy Tom Jr.